Who do you well?
Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Good evening, Joy.
I'm sleepy.
Are you okay?
I'm sleepy.
Oh, no, you're not sleepy yet. It's still 6:37 in Vietnam. Too early to sleep, Joy. What did you do today? Did you play? Did you study? What did you do today, Joy? Did you go to school?
Mm,
Did you go to school?
no.
No, you did not. Okay, Joy. Now let me share my screen and today we'll have the continuation. Okay, so now in here, Joy, I want you to connect, okay, to connect it to its correct answer. Like for example,
What's
does
the
the cook
shelter settings?
makes what, Joy?
Does the cook make food? Yes, she does. Does the salesman fight fires? Fires.
Okay, does the salesperson fight fires? No, she doesn't. That's correct. What about for three?
Does the pilot fly planes?
Okay, very good. And four?
Does the bus driver drive back? Does the bus driver have sick animals? No, he
No,
doesn't.
doesn't.
Does the firefighter fight tires? Yes, he does. Does the fish sell things? No, he doesn't.
Bravo, Joy. Now, in D, Joy, I want you to look at C and number it. Okay, so does the cook, where is the cook, Joy? Can you number it one? Cook. Okay, look in here.
The salesman.
Okay, very good. Now this the salesperson. Where is the salesperson?
I know.
You don't know where the salesperson is? The last picture, Joy. The last picture. Salesperson. The salesperson. Yes, that one. The salesperson sells things. Next one. Pilot.
Hey,
Where is the pilot?
now I have learned a stop. Yeah.
Oh, you want a star? Okay, wait, I'll give you a star. Okay, now, pilot. Where is the pilot, Joy? Where is the pilot? Pilot? Okay, very good. Star. Okay, now next one, bus driver. Bus driver. Okay, very good. Now, firefighter. Where is the firefighter, Joy? Mhm. Correct, Joy. Okay, and the vet. Okay, 6 stars, Joy. Now, yay! Okay, let us now proceed to the grammar animations, Joy, of Unit 3, Lesson 2. Okay, for a moment, let me prepare it real quick. Okay, wait. And let me share my screen again. Okay. What does the salesperson do, Joy? Can you tell me? What does the salesperson do?
The stairs, but the stairs and sell things.
Very good. It's A. Now, next one. What does the firefighter do?
The firefighter fight fires.
Okay, fights fires. D. Very good. Okay, what does the pilot do?
Pilot fly babies.
Okay, well done, Joy. What does the vet do?
The sick, have sick animal.
Great job. Okay, now I want you to choose tick or cross, Joy. What does the vet do? Is it a tick or a cross? What does the vet do? Is it a tick or a cross? Can you encircle the answer, Joy? What does the vet do? Just choose one. Just choose one, Joy. Is which one? Is it a tick or cross? Okay, so that's right, Joy. It is a tick. Now, next one. The vet helps sick animal. Is it a
No.
tick? Can you encircle your answer?
Tick, 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 tick.
Tick tock, tick tock. What's your answer, Joy?
Tick, 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 tick.
Is it a tick? Are you sure? Can you encircle your answer, Joy? Let me see your answer. Oh no, it's a cross. It's a cross, Joy. Yes, it's not the vet help. It's the vet helps. And not just animal, it's a lot of animals, right? So sick animals. Now, next one, Joy. What do the bus driver do? Okay, are you sure?
It's eggs.
Okay, so it is a cross, Joy. Can you tell me what makes it incorrect? What makes it incorrect? It should be what? Not do, right? Not do. It should be does. Okay, what does the bus driver do? Okay, next one, Joy. The bus driver drives buses. Is it a tick
No.
or a cross?
Tick.
Oh, is it a tick? But why did you encircle the cross?
Cross. Cross.
What is your
Cross.
final answer? Is it a tick or a cross?
Cross.
Okay, well, it is a tick,
No.
Joy. Yeah, see, our subject is the bus driver. It's only one. It's singular, Joy. So the verb we must add s to the verb. Okay, the bus driver drives buses. This is correct, Joy. Now, next one, what do the pilot does?
No. No.
It's a cross. Okay.
Yay.
So, what should we do to make it correct, Joy? What should we do to make it correct? It should be what?
Stop.
What does the pilot do? Okay, what does the pilot do? Next one, the pilot fly planes. It's a, what do you think, Joy? What is your answer, Joy? What is your answer? Across? Okay. It should be the pilot flies.
Yeah.
Yes, flies. Planes. Okay. Can you unscramble it, Joy?
No.
No. Yes, you can. What is the answer here?
Oh, I don't know.
Does it's a question, Joy.
Does the cook make food?
Yes, very good. Does the cook make food? Okay. What about for this one?
But fire, the fire,
The
fire,
firefighter.
fire, flies, fire.
Great job. Okay, next one. It's a question.
Does the fire, does the fire,
Does
does the fire drive buses?
okay, does the salesperson drive buses? Next
Does
one.
does the does the planes fly?
Does the pilot
Does the pilot fly plane?
Yes, that's right. Does the pilot fly planes? Okay, now in here, I want you to complete the dialogue, Joy. Does the
No.
cook fly planes? No.
No, it even.
No? No, he doesn't. Okay, no, he doesn't. We will not use it here, Joy, because we know the gender of the cook.
No.
Okay, the cook is a boy. No, he
Does
doesn't. Now,
the
does the cook, what is the missing phrase? Does the cook,
does the cook banana?
does the cook make food?
The cook makes food. Yes, he is. He
He
does.
does. Okay, yes, he does. Next one, Joy. Does the bus driver fight fires?
No.
No.
It even.
She? No, she.
Even.
She doesn't, Joy. No, she doesn't. Does the bus driver drive buses?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. He is.
Okay, yes, she does. Yes, she does. Now, as you've observed, Joy, we have our question word does, right? So, our answer for this question must be either no, she doesn't, or yes, she Does. This is the negative, Joy. We added a not. And this is the positive one. It ends with does. Okay. Does the bus driver drives buses? Yes, she does. Does the bus driver fight fires? No, she doesn't. Okay, now let us try the other one, Joy. Does the vet sell things? Does the vet sell things?
No, she either.
She doesn't.
She
She
doesn't.
doesn't. Okay. Does the vet help sick animals?
Yes, she does.
Very good. Yes, she does. Okay, next one. Does the pilot drive buses?
No, he he
He.
doesn't.
Very good. No, he doesn't. Does the pilot fly planes?
Yes, does.
He does. Okay, there you have it, Joy. It's easy, right? But we are not done yet, Joy. Let us now proceed to another lesson. Okay, so we have here a story, Joy, talking about mom's present. Okay, let us watch this.
Excuse me? How much is this sweater?
It's $30.
Oh. How much are these shoes?
They're $50.
Oh, thanks.
Emma, we don't have a present for Mom.
We can make a present. Mom, these are for you.
Happy birthday!
They're beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, there you have it, Joy. Now
Emma,
let us check. Okay,
it's
it's Emma's birthday. Yes or
no,
no?
no, 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 no.
The sweater is $30.
Yes,
Yes, okay. The shoes are $15.
no,
They make a sweater for mom.
no.
Can you tell me
Yeah.
what did they make for mom, Joy?
Present.
They made what they made?
They they made
A birthday card, Joy, and a flower. Okay, and flowers. Okay, so they gave mom flowers and a birthday card. That is it, Joy. Great job. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class, Joy. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye, Joy. Good night, Joy.